Hey, I'm Allison from Learning at the Primary Pond. I'm a literacy specialist, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to take a normal teaching resource or print teaching resource like a PDF and turn it into a digital resource that students can play on their devices. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you're notified every time I post a brand new video about teaching literacy in K2. Okay, so let's talk about taking resources and making them digital. Now, there's a variety of reasons why you might want to do that. Number one, you might actually be a virtual teacher and teaching online, so you can't get print materials to your students. Number two, maybe you're teaching students virtually for a short period of time for whatever reason. Number three, maybe you don't have time to prep and cut and print materials. Number four, maybe you're out of paper, ink, toner, whatever. Sometimes you just want to be able to take like a normal resource and make it digital. It also can save money. There, of course, are a lot of great digital teaching resources out there. I have phonics games, grammar games, books that are all digital in the Learning at the Primary Pond TPT store. But again, sometimes you want to save money, or sometimes you just want to take what you already have and turn it digital. So I'm going to share my screen with you momentarily and show you exactly how I do that. Ready? Okay, so here we are. As you can see, I have opened a PDF on the left-hand side of some games, and then I just opened up a brand new Google slide. I haven't done anything to the file yet, but I'm going to show you how I take a game from the PDF and insert it into this Google slide. You could also do something very similar if you use PowerPoint. I just chose Google Slides because those can be easily shared with students. Okay, so we need a game, and actually these, let's do the color ones since we're not going to be printing. These are from my no prep phonics games. Got them for like tons of different skills. I just chose digraphs. This is an example of a game that's only one player. And then of course there's games where two or more kids can play. So you definitely have options here. But anyway, choose whatever game or whatever resource you want to use, open the PDF, and then what I'm going to do is take a screenshot. If you're not sure how to take a screenshot, just do a Google search for it because it does vary depending on what kind of computer you have. Okay, so I took a screenshot. It was saved to my desktop. Now what I need to do is I need to change the orientation of the slide. Okay, so now it matches. You don't actually have to do that first step that I did. I just got confused. Okay, so now it matches the size of the game. So what I can do is I can go to my desktop and just bring that over. Okay, awesome. Okay, so now it's locked in there, which means that the kids can't really do anything to it. But what you do want to do is you want to insert a shape. So let's just do a circle. And so this is going to be the kiddos' game piece. Like I said, in these games that I'm showing you, there are one-player games. But let's say that, I don't know, like maybe you're sending this home and they're going to have a family member play with them. You could definitely do an additional piece as well. Okay, so we've got the game pieces, and of course now they can move and play the game just as they normally would, which is pretty cool. Also saving paper. The other thing I want to show you is just this die roller. So of course you could use a normal die with it, but like again, let's say maybe you're sending it home or you can't have dice for whatever reason. It's random.org/dice/question num equals 1 is what this address is. You can probably honestly just do a Google search for like online dice roller and find it as well. But just wanted to make sure you knew that was an option so they can, roll the die and play just like they normally would. Pretty cool. Okay, so I hope that was helpful in helping you understand how to take a normal resource and make it digital. If you want no prep phonics games that can be used like on a hard copy, just print and use, or they can be used digitally, just like I showed you, make sure to check those out in the Learning at the Primary Pond Teachers Pay Teachers store. I have no prep phonics games for kindergarten, first, and second grade that again can be used, in person like a normal resource or digitally. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.